camera captures traffic slowing to a crawl in the heavy rain. And that's about to be a big problem. The SUV slams into the back of a pickup truck at nearly full speed, pushing the truck into the car in front of it and littering the highway with debris and flying shards of glass. A terrifying reminder of how quickly things can go wrong when a driver is distracted behind the wheel. There are a number of reasons why a tractor-trailer might get stuck at a train crossing. Raised tracks can ground the truck midway through. The engine could stall when shifting gears. Or, because the trailers can be so long and the acceleration is slow, it could simply be a poorly timed crossing by an impatient driver. But whatever the cause, the results are terrifying. In Del Rio, Texas, an 18-wheeler is stuck at a crossing.
Oh my God, please. Stop!
With the driver
Oh my God.
still inside
Oh my God.
and a freight train unable to stop. The speeding train slams directly into the trucker's cab,
Oh my God.
ripping it from the rest of the truck. According to eyewitnesses, the driver manages to climb out of his wrecked cab after the impact and is immediately rushed to the hospital. In High Point, North Carolina, a truck's dash cam captures vehicles crossing train tracks that appear to be safe, now that a southbound train has just passed by. When suddenly, the gate comes down again, trapping the truck with a dash cam and a blue car on the tracks as a northbound train approaches. The car's driver gets out in a panic. The train is just seconds away, so she runs for cover, while the truck driver puts it into reverse, pushing through the gates behind them. The northbound train demolishes the woman's car. I-95 South in St. Augustine, Florida. The dash cam of a tractor-trailer records as it travels in the far right lane. Thus far, a fairly routine journey, but watch the left rearview mirror closely. Another semi, carrying 60,000 pounds of sand, barrels into the side of the tractor-trailer from the adjacent lane and flips it so violently that its cabin detaches from its trailer. The driver of the semi that was hit is stunned and unsure of what to do. Other motorists arrive on the scene and join him in checking on the driver of the truck that flipped, who's still trapped in the cabin. What they find is miraculous.
Brian, I just got into a real bad accident.
Though badly banged up with 2 broken legs and multiple cuts and bruises, the driver is alive. In New Sharon, Maine, a sudden flash freeze has turned the roadway into a sheet of ice.
I'm having so much PTSD right now. I'm honestly panicking. We're gonna scud, but we're only going 5 miles an hour.
So one driver, who seems to have experience with conditions like this, wisely takes extreme caution on her way home.
My wheels are stopping, but the car's still flagging.
As her passenger offers helpful advice.
Just go 5 miles an hour. Just for the hill. Yeah, just for the hill. We're going 5 miles an hour. shouldn't be salting the roads yet. We can't go up.
Unfortunately, there's another driver behind them that is having a lot more trouble. And their vehicle is much, much bigger.
Oh my God! We should call 911.
A semi, coming from behind, loses control, sending its load spinning, clipping the woman's car, and crashing into two others.
Call 911. Call 911.
Amazingly, the woman in this car somehow escapes serious injury, as do the two occupants of the white truck behind it. The driver goes to check on the woman in the first car hit, as her friend calls 911.
I don't know, but it's in Miss Sharon. There's a huge semi-truck that just crashed.
Authorities arrive soon after. A terrifying situation in McDermott, Nevada.
Bro, this dude's going crazy. Look at that. Look at that, bro.
Jose Lozoya records a semi-truck that appears to be deliberately crashing into cars just outside the Say When Casino.
What the?
According to Jose, the driver had allegedly tried to hit this pickup truck moments earlier. Now, it's just sideswiped this SUV and is circling behind the casino.
He's taking off on him, bro. When he went around the building, I thought it was gonna be a hit and run. That's what most people do.
But the semi-driver isn't running. He's coming back for more.
What the?
Including battery with a deadly weapon, felony reckless driving, assault with a deadly weapon, and driving a commercial vehicle without CDL endorsement. On a California freeway, a motorist records a semi dragging a red car that is wedged under its trailer.
Look at that. That's on the freeway going up the home path. They don't know what's going on here.
Making the situation even more dire.
Oh my God.
The driver's life is clearly in danger. So the man filming, along with several other motorists, join forces to flag down the semi-driver. The hell? Which they finally do.
Wow. He dropped the guy. Why were you driving so far? Dude, the guy's underneath your car. I didn't know. What do you didn't know it, dude? He's on your truck. You need to get out of your truck right now. He's on your truck.
According to police reports, the incident occurred when the 62-year-old trucker failed to see the red car when he changed lanes and had no idea he had hit it. He is eventually cleared of any wrongdoing. The driver of the red car sustains no injuries. Lesson learned, hopefully for both parties. When big rigs and cars are sharing the road, keep your eyes on the blind spots. In Mexico, according to the driver with the dash cam, this semi-truck has been driving erratically.
No te pases de lanza.
And appears intent on blocking all motorists from passing. Leaving vehicles on either side at the trucker's mercy.
Mira, está tapando otra vez. Bloqueando, mira.
But just moments later,
Oh, ahí va, otro trailer.
an even larger semi has had enough. Which is when it becomes abundantly clear that for the trucker who's been driving erratically, size means nothing. Fearing a catastrophic accident, the bigger truck wisely backs off. But the close call doesn't stop another smaller vehicle from trying the same thing on the opposite side.
Qué bueno.
But this time, the catastrophe is not avoided. A lane of traffic has come to a halt in Oceanside, California, where a driver in a convertible has just cut in front of another driver in an SUV and stopped short. According to a witness, the SUV driver had allegedly refused to let the convertible driver cross lanes. Now they're face to face, and the conflict is heating up. The perfect time to let the young woman filming it from her car take it from here.
Oh, he said get those out. Oh my god. Oh, hell. Oh, you guys, this is awesome. Oh, he rolled down the window. Oh, he spit at him.
Yep, you heard that right. The guy in the red shirt just spit on the SUV driver.
Oh, he spit at him.
What happens in response to that is mind-boggling.
And the semi-truck passed me. And so I try to...
It's late at night. Multiple cameras for his job as a rideshare driver is heading back home to New Jersey from a casino in New York State. But luck is not on his side tonight.
It was good. So I hit my right blinker, hit my blinker, and try to speed past him.
The semi swerves to the left, aggressively blocking him from passing. Finally forcing Andre off the road and striking his car from behind. In Port Orange, Florida, a resident films from his balcony as a moving truck attempts to pull out of a tight parking spot.
Me and my brother just hear this crunch. These dumbasses just backed into a car. Look, oh no! Oh, let's get the out of here. Watch this. I bet you they take off. Watch, look.
According to the man filming, the driver of this moving truck allegedly just sideswiped the vehicle parked on its right side when trying to get out.
See if he crunches it even more.
And he's apparently learned nothing from the experience.
Look at that. Oh, gnarly, dude. Oh, oh my god. This is great. Look at him. Oh, dude.
As the driver continues to rake the car's side with the truck, his partner appears helpless to stop it.
Oh, dude, he's gonna hit it even more. Oh my god.
But with the finesse of a bulldozer, the truck's driver eventually does pull out. And then, according to the man filming, drives away.
So these guys are just trying to take off now. So, go ahead and get that license plate. Holy dude.
The man filming notifies the owner of the damaged SUV. In Austin, Texas, a motorist with a dash cam is waved on by a dump truck driver who may be having some trouble. The car's driver continues down a long, curving hill to a stoplight. The intersection is busy, making it a bit more challenging for cars in the far right lane to make the turn on red. Which is very bad news for the driver in this gray sedan. Disaster strikes. Phantom truck from earlier plows into a gray sedan, pushes it through the intersection, hits several other vehicles, and then punches through a concrete barrier before finally plummeting more than 15 feet and landing on its side in a ravine. Thankfully, Good Samaritans are able to pull the driver out before his truck catches fire. Emergency personnel arrive on the scene. The driver of the gray sedan is reportedly treated for a concussion. The 19-year-old driver of a red car that was T-boned reportedly incurs a spinal injury. None of the motorists, including the trucker, sustained life-threatening injuries. Investigators later determined brake failure as the cause of the multi-car collision.